So this is Gromzilla. This is my 2018 Honda Grom SF. And then my two-step launch control that I sell, you can see back here, it's on a little bracket. There's a little L bracket. There you go. It won't have this hole. This is a little test bracket that I had, but it won't have the second hole up here. So basically it has a plunger type of switch. So you can see here when we pull on this, it pulls out that little plunger. That is a switch. Has two wires coming off the switch that plug into Power Commander 5. And then in Power Commander 5, what we do is we turn on launch control. We can set the RPM and we can set the timer. So basically, it puts your clutch on a timer. So you squeeze the clutch. So you can see there, the plunger is pulled. If we leave it open like that for half a second, now all of a sudden it's in two-step launch control. And then when we let out the clutch, two-step launch control comes off, bike's engaged in gear, and now we're at full throttle if we were ripping the throttle wide open. So you can set it to whatever you want. You can set it at 3,000 RPM, you can set it at 10,000 RPM, you can set it to whatever you want. On this bike, two-step is set at 7,400, I believe. So I'll show you what that looks like. Go ahead and squeeze the clutch again. Okay, there. So we hold that for half a second and two steps engaged. So I'll show you what that looks like real quick. Okay, so Ramseyer is straight pipe, so you won't be able to hear me talk. It is straight pipe to a big dual exhaust. I'll show you what two-step sounds like. Two-step launch control for Power Commander 5 for the Honda Grom. I sell the bracket and it comes with the wiring that goes up there and plugs in, and then I show you how to do the turn it on in Power Commander 5 software and all that good stuff. So anyways, that's what I carry. That's $65 shipped anywhere in the US.